Hey there, what is up everyone? In this video, we're gonna be unboxing and reviewing the LG Stylo 4. Alright, this phone, it was released about a month ago, so it's not completely brand new, but still, it's a awesome phone. So I decided to pick it up and do a unboxing and review on it. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright, so first off, we can see here on the front of the box, it just says Stylo 4. Over here, we have an LG logo on this side. Some basic serial number information on the phone. A couple logos down here about the Qualcomm Snapdragon. This one is 32 gigabytes. Here on the back of the box, it just has some information on what the box contains. So it comes with the travel adapter, data cable, quick start guide, SIM tray, ejector tool, and then just some more basic information. All right, so let's go ahead and open it up. Well, as soon as we open it up, we have like a cloth to clean the screen. And here we have the phone, LG Stylo 4. Beautiful looking phone for a less expensive LG. So it has a 6.2 inch full vision display. It has a stylus, since it is the Stylo 4. And it comes with 3 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of storage space. Let's go ahead and put it to the side first and check out what else we have in here. So we have the quick start guide. It looks like we have the SIM ejector tool back here. We have the wall charger adapter. 5 volts, 1.8 amps. Here we have the USB Type-C data cable coming out with all the new Android smartphones. And that's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and play with the phone now. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at the LG Stylo 4. So let's go ahead and remove this. So here we have it, the beautiful 6.2 inch display. They're kind of trying to make it as big as possible, kind of like the infinity displays on the Samsung Galaxies. So beautiful screen here. Looks like we have the front camera up here. We have maybe the proximity sensor here, the ear speaker. Beautiful looking screen, no home button on the bottom. Down here we're gonna have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. We're gonna have a microphone input hole for the sound to go in through it. We have the USB Type-C charger port. Looks like these holes here are for the speaker. And here we have the stylus. Here on this side, we're just gonna have one button here. This is the power button. On the top, we're just gonna have a small hole for the second microphone input. This is where the sound goes in through when you're talking on like speakerphone or when you're recording video. Here on this side, we're gonna have the volume buttons. And we're gonna have the SIM and SD card tray on this side as well, right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back here. Here we're gonna have the main camera. Here we're gonna have the flash. Here we're gonna have the fingerprint scanner. And then down here, it's just gonna be a little sticker here with the IMEI. Let's remove that. And the LG logo down at the bottom. So let's go ahead and power the phone on so we can test it out. All right, so here we have the phone powered on. So let's go ahead and go through the settings here to get the phone set up. And there we go, the phone has been completely set up. Here we are at the initial screen of the phone. So this is a very nice looking screen for a phone that's not as expensive as like flagship phones of the moment. So as we scroll around, we can see that navigating through the phone is pretty smooth. If you swipe down from the top, you get the quick settings, and if you swipe down again, you get even more settings here to choose from, just like other Android smartphones. Let's go ahead and check the dial pad. So here's the dial pad on the LG Stylo 4. Let's go ahead and take a look at messages now so that we can see how the messages keyboard looks. So there you go, very smooth keyboard. Nice feedback here every time you press a letter. Let's go ahead and check out the camera now and see how the camera works.
So awesome camera here, especially with the big screen size. You can put full screen mode on the cameras for pictures, and it looks awesome. So let's check out the selfie camera here. What's up, guys? Nice selfie camera. So up here we have the camera settings, a bunch of different camera settings to choose from, the quality of the videos, storage location. Here you have different filters for the shots. Here you can choose different color filters as well. Here's the selfie and rear camera switcher and the flash. And then if you swipe from the bottom right to the left, you get a bunch of different sharing options. So let's go ahead and check out the wallpapers that the LG Stylo 4 brings. So it looks like we have a huge variety of wallpapers here to choose from, and most of them are all free, so you can download them from the App Store with the Smart World app and download them straight into your LG Stylo 4. Although the LG Stylo 4 does come with a good selection of pre-installed wallpapers as well. Let's go ahead and see what we can do with the stylus pen. So once we remove the stylus pen, we get a couple different options here, as you can see on the right hand side. So you can sketch different notes that you may want to keep for a later time, or to send to someone, or to keep for yourself. You can also capture a screenshot and make notes on that screenshot as well, which will be saved to your gallery album for later use. And you can also activate the zoom lens with the stylus pen and use it to move it around and use it. Let's go ahead and open up YouTube so that we can test the video and sound quality of the LG Stylo 4. So let's go ahead and select one of our videos here.
Hey there, what is up everyone? In this video, we're going to be comparing the Apple AirPods versus these headphones, which are very similar looking to the Apple AirPods, and they're called the i7s TWS. So the Apple AirPods, as you know, they're around $159 right now at Apple and most other retailers that sell them, $15 to $20 on Amazon.
Alright everyone, so very good quality there with the sound quality and definitely the video quality on the screen. So here's the LG Stylo 4, beautiful looking phone. Definitely a great buy, I would say, for the current price. So that's it for this video everyone. Hope you enjoyed it. Go ahead and please give it a like, and I'll see you guys around in the next one. Peace.